Dad, here he is, and we're just gonna make a grill.
You're gonna make a grill.
Yeah, grill. So there's 5 tools you can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's those. So here's this toothbrush to brush his teeth. You're gonna have to put some red toothpaste or white, whatever one you want to do. Then here's some other tools. This is so that way you can roll it and make some braces if you wanted. Then here's the tweezers if you want to pull its teeth out if it has a cavity and you can make a new one. And what is this?
Some kind of dentist tool?
Oh, it's a dentist tool. Like, it's the thing to get the, like, junk out there. Yeah, so, yeah. Okay, guys, now we're going to go ahead and make the tongue. Here's the red Play-doh. We're going to have all these red Play-doh. This is about, like, enough. So you're going to shove it in the back. Put it in the back. Shove it in the back. Now go ahead and open this. So you can see it.
Oh, why is he sticking his tongue out at us? We get rid of this.
Yep.
Cool.
Here's the tongue. We made the tongue. Okay, since we're making a grill, we need some silver teeth. It's kind of like sparkly. You can like almost tell. Alright, first there's these like little like teeth thing that you like see right here where my finger's on. You're gonna open this up. You're gonna put the Play-doh in inside of it. Thank you, Daddy. Now let's press the ball down. We're gonna push it down. Now we're just gonna take it out and peel it off. Okay. Now we're done cleaning up. His rap career is just starting, so he can't afford a full grill, right? That's what a grill looks like. A grill.
Let's see what his smile is going to look like with the grill.
That's what a grill looks like. Dad, are you ready to do some braces?
Yep.
That's how it's done. Okay guys, now it's me recording now. Let's go, and now we did the braces, let's go ahead and put the string on that just like real braces. So yeah, I'm gonna roll this into a snake. Now that we started it, let's just go ahead with the other teeth. Just gonna press it very gently. Just like that, that's perfectly gently. Okay, did that one now. Okay, now let's go head to the next tooth. Hey, this is our patient all blinged out. Just get this party started. Okay. First, open wide. Open wide. Wait. Tell me what's wrong with your teeth. Alright, this is so bad. Alright, open wide. Okay. Okay, which tooth is bothering you? Which one? That one. Okay, that's why. They're flat. Yeah.
You gotta drill it first.
Yeah, I have to do that first. Oh wait, let's just start with all of them first, okay? Just got 2 of them out. Get this one out. Get that one out. And get that one out. Okay, so you're all done with the bottom. Okay, now we're just gonna, it's gonna taste like, this toothpaste is gonna taste just like bubblegum. We get all the food out of our teeth. So that way we can just like see what's wrong with the teeth. So we're just gonna go ahead and look at the teeth. It's not gonna hurt at all, no. Alright. Let's just put it out. Okay. Okay. Just brush your teeth. Brush, 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 and brush, brush, brush.